Hello, good to have you join us once again on the 3 days weather forecast. I am Paul Ugbah. On Thursday evening, we have what started like cells of thunderstorms around the eastern flank of the country. These systems grew larger and became very massive, fused together and propagated from the eastern part of the country towards the western parts and gave rains to some of these areas. And so for the rest of Friday, we expect most parts of the north to be in partly cloudy and cloudy conditions with prospects for some rains around Gombe and Bauchi areas. We also expect thunderstorms to affect parts of Taraba State and also the southeastern coast extending to the southwestern areas. Maximum temperature forecast on Friday is expected to reach 37 degrees Celsius over Maiduguri areas, while the neighboring areas of this zone are expected to experience a temperature range between 30 and 35 degrees Celsius. Towards the central parts of the country, we expect to see a range between 25 degrees Celsius and 33 degrees Celsius, while the southern parts of the country are expected to watch out for a maximum temperature range of 28 degrees Celsius and 31 degrees Celsius. By Saturday morning, we expect fine weather over the northwestern parts of the country where partly cloudy conditions are likely, and also over the northeastern parts of the country. However, there are prospects for thunderstorms in parts of Duse and parts of Kaduna State. We also expect thunderstorms around the central part towards the River Niger and Benue areas where we have thunderstorms likely to affect parts of Abuja and parts of Nasarawa State, as well as parts of Taraba and Niger State. The southern parts of the country extending from the southeast coast down to the southwest coast are expected to also watch out for some light rains on Saturday, while the inland cities are expected to be cloudy. By Saturday afternoon, there are higher prospects for thunderstorms over the northwestern parts of the country, while the northeastern part is expected to remain partly cloudy. Thunderstorms are also likely to affect parts of Taraba, extending to parts of Nasarawa State and also Benue State. We also expect to see some rains along the coastal areas, extending also to the inland cities of the southwest. Maximum temperature forecast on Saturday is expected to reach 38 degrees Celsius over Maiduguri, while other parts within this zone are expected to watch out for temperature range between 32 and 36 degrees Celsius. The south is, however, expected to experience a slight increase in temperature to 29 degrees Celsius, while the highest value over this zone is expected to be 31 degrees Celsius. By Sunday morning, we also expect fine weather in partly cloudy conditions over the northwestern parts of the country and also in parts of Bauchi, Gombe, and also parts of Potiskum areas. However, there are prospects for thunderstorms over the southern part of Maiduguri, extending down to Jalingo areas, and also around Benue State and neighboring areas of Nasarawa and Abuja. Niger State is also expected to watch out for some activities of thunderstorms, while the coastal areas of the southeast and the southwest also look good for some rains. The inland cities will be cloudy. By afternoon and evening hours of Sunday, we expect thunderstorms to affect parts of the northeastern parts of the country and also around the central parts of Nigeria. The southern parts also look good for thunderstorms, as we have conditions which are very favorable for these activities. Maximum temperature forecast on Sunday is expected to be 38 degrees Celsius over Maiduguri and 37 degrees Celsius over Sokoto areas. Jos is expected to be 26, while Kaduna is expected to be 30. The southern parts of the country are expected to experience a temperature range between 28 degrees Celsius in Ikom and Calabar areas, while places around Asaba areas are expected to experience temperature of 31 degrees Celsius. Ijebu-Ode areas and Lagos are expected to experience the highest value of 32 degrees Celsius over this zone. This is where we draw the curtains for the 3 days forecast. Thanks for watching.